Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off direct messages on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy, and then near the top you should see Privacy. So you just want to tap on that. Then if you scroll down, you should see Direct Messages. So you want to click on that. And then again at the top, you should see Permission Settings. So just tap on that. And it'll give you two options on here. So you have Potential Connections and Others on TikTok. So you can just click on one of these. And I'll just let you know, potential connections refer to your followers. You will receive messages from your potential connections in your message requests, unless you choose not to receive messages at all. So just click on Don't Receive, and I'll also let you know you won't receive requests from others on TikTok. So if you're happy with that, just select Update Settings, and if you come out of here, you'll see you won't be able to receive any direct messages. Thanks for watching.